In this video, we want to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to the square root of 3 of x cubed multiplied by the square root of 4 minus x squared dx. Now, in an earlier video, I found the evaluation of the indefinite integral, that is, without the limits of integration here. So I'm going to refer to that for this problem, and I'm going to link the video in the description so you can check yourself. So here's what we got. When I did the indefinite integral here, here's what I got. So this is what I got in the previous video. And I used integration by parts along with throughout in the process of using integration by parts, I also used the standard U substitution, I think about twice. We got this answer here. So refer to that video, try to work it out first, and if you don't get the answer that I have, go back and check the integral again. But this is going to be evaluated then from 0 to the square root of 3. So let's go ahead and evaluate. So first, remember, we evaluate this whole expression at the square root of 3, and then we subtract the value of this expression at 0. So let's put, where x is, put the square root of 3. So here it's going to be the square root of 3 squared. Remember, the square doesn't apply to the minus, so it's square root of 3 squared gives me a 3. 3 over 3 is 1, and then I got a negative there. So this could be a negative. And then the square root of 3 here, squared, will give me a 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 to any power is 1. So this just gives me 1 times a negative 1 is negative 1. And then in the next one, we have a minus 2/15. And we evaluate that at radical 3. So radical 3 squared is 1. Radical 3 squared is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And 1 to the 5 has power, any power is 1. So here all I have is 1 times a negative 2/15. So that gives me negative 2 over 15. So I'll put that in parentheses here. And then it's minus. Then I evaluated 0. First term here at 0, here. And then a 0 here. So this is going to wipe this term out, this expression here. 0 squared is 0, minus a 0 is 0, so this product is 0. So that cancels out. So this is just 0 here. And then I got a minus 2 over 15. Now I'm plugging in 0 here. So I get 0 right there. 0 squared is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. And then it's 4 to the 5/2 power. So 4 to the 5/2 power. Several ways you can do this. You can do it this way. You can do it 2 squared. That's 4. And then to the 5/2 power. And then power to a power here, we multiply exponents. The 2's cancel out. I get 2 to the 5th is 32. And that's times the negative 2 over 15. So it's just 32 here. Now this could also be done, look at it this way and say the same thing as the square root of 4 quantity to the 5th. Square root of 4 is 2, and then 2 to the 5th is 32. So I'll wind up with this. So let's compute this out here. This is the same thing as minus 15 over 15 over here, and a minus 2 over 15. That gives me a minus 17 over 15. And this is 0 here, minus 2 times 32, so this would be 64, minus 64 over 15, and then a minus here makes it a plus 64 over 15. So minus 17 over 15 plus 64 over 15 gives me 47 over 15. And this is the solution to the definite integral. Again, I'll link the video that solves the integration of this expression, and then of course you just finish it off by doing the limits of integration. So 47 over 15 is the value of the definite integral. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.